So I'm going to make a little, a dipping sauce that you have maybe for tempura, maybe for some Asian kebab, or if you like the taste of this, you could put it on chicken, many things. Anyway, there's the fruit I'm using. Measured, cut up, the sugar's in there, the seasoned rice vinegar is in there, and the water or the stock. Now, I'm not going to cover this. I want it to cook, get soft, boil down, and then we'll get to finish it. Maybe with cornstarch, maybe with nothing, because there's a lot of fiber in there, and all that fruit should thicken it up all by itself. And I'll finish seasoning it later with a little sriracha hot chili sauce, pinch of salt, and a little garlic I have to put in there, and then we'll see what else. So this has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and I realized, hey, if I use my speed stick, I don't have to use the blender later. And you don't let it reduce a lot, so this works much better when there's a lot of liquid in there. So I'm going to run this and then keep on cooking it. As usual, I forgot something. Orange. So there goes the mandarin orange in there. Have to have orange. So a couple of minutes, I'm going to run this again. But look, already we won't have to use cornstarch. This is perfect for dipping because you don't want it thick. So in a few more minutes, we'll run that again and then add a few items that boost up the flavor. I'll put this right on top of the orange segments and in a few minutes I'll try to finish this. All done, seasoned. I love it. I'll have the amount what this yields under the description and all of the items, of course, that are on the recipe. Hope you enjoy it.